Hi, friends. So today is Tuesday and our Science Day, and we're going to continue our lesson on plants and how they grow and their life cycle. So today for our plants, we are going to learn about the parts of a plant. Let's get started. I have a video for us to watch, okay? All right, here we go.
Ruby, what are you doing? But that's not the right way. The roots go in the soil, not the flowers and the leaves. You know, the roots. They're the part of the plant that, what do roots do anyway? Look, that tree has really big roots. Well, the roots are the part that grow down into the soil, but I'm not exactly sure what they do. Wow, without roots, this tree would have been blown away. They do a good job of holding a plant into the dirt. I know plants need water to grow, and water goes down into the soil. I bet the roots take in water from the soil, and soil is full of all kinds of stuff. I bet it's really nutritious for the plant. The roots must absorb the nutrients and send them up the stem. So, what does the stem do? I bet water and nutrients go through the stem to reach the rest of the plant. I know it's a trunk, but it's also the stem. Stems can come in all different sizes, but they both help support the plant. And the stem helps the plant reach sunlight. What do leaves do? I know, it looks sick. The leaves are falling off. You're right. That plant looks a lot healthier. Look how big and green the leaves are. It must get a lot of sunlight and fresh air. Leaves need to take in sunlight and air to make food for the plant. So then the plant can grow up to be strong and healthy. But these plants don't have flowers like the ones in our garden. What do flowers do? I know that flowers are important parts of some plants. Flowers make a sticky powder called pollen, which helps them make new plants. Look, there's a seed at the end of this petal. I guess flowers help the plant make seeds and fruit. But what do seeds and fruit do? There are so many seeds in this watermelon. Seeds are important because they can grow into new plants. Well, since seeds are inside the fruit, I bet the fruit protects the seeds. And fruit is really tasty. When animals eat fruit, the seeds pass through them and end up in a different place. We should go plant these seeds and grow new plants. Then we can have all the watermelon we want. You swallowed a seed? Don't worry, a watermelon plant isn't going to grow inside you. That's not how it works.
That was silly to think it would grow inside of him. Okay, let's go over parts of the plant. Now, from what we saw, this is our plant. Let's start from the bottom and work our way up because a plant starts at the bottom and grows up. So here's the dirt. Now, this is above the dirt that we see, and this is below. We don't see it. It's covered. All right. What are these? They're the roots. R-O-O-T-S. Roots. Now, the roots are inside the dirt. They're all covered, and they collect the water and food from the dirt. And they use this part. This is the stem to bring the water and food, nutrients and food up into all the other parts of the plant. Now, most plants have leaves. This is a leaf. Usually they have a lot of leaves. This one has 2. And the leaves collect the sunlight and the air, because a plant needs sunlight and air through a special thing to make more food for it. So it has nutrients coming from here and food coming from here that goes up into here to get to this part. Now, some plants have a special part at the top called the flower. And the flower is very important because it makes seeds that fall off and make whole new plants. And then that continues the cycle, which we learned about last week. And these are the parts of the plant. There's 4 parts. Wow, good job, everyone. And now we have our plants over here. Let me move you, that we've been growing. See, look at them. And today what we have to do, let me just move stuff so you can see better, is we have to put food in them because it's not outside in soil, it's inside in this special little thing, and it needs to get nutrients through its soil, and there's no rain, so I have to make the nutrients by using plant food. So I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna give it 2 things of plant food. You ready? Here we go, 2 capfuls. We have, 1 and 2. There we go. It has its food. And then it's going to, the roots in those plants are going to soak up that food and water and send it up the stems to the leaves. And this thing at the top acts as the sun, and there's air throughout the room. So that's why the leaves are growing still and they're getting sunlight and air from around the room. And then those are the parts of the plants and the life cycle, and we fed our plant. You're doing such a great job learning about plants. All right, I'll see you all later. Bye.